Hey guys, welcome to Sam's Collectibles. You know who it is, it's your boy Sam. So you know what time it is. It's time for another Universal update. And so today we're gonna be talking about Halloween Horror Nights merchandise, you know, new restaurants opening it on Citywalk. We're gonna be talking about Universal layoffs, and I'm sorry about the noise. I'm over here and there's a lot of people today. It's a really beautiful day. I was supposed to come here last weekend, but the smoke was so bad, and so yeah, there's a lot of people, more than what I was expecting. But anyways, before we start, let me just remind you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that like button for your boy. Anyways guys, let's get started. So over here on this side, we can still see that the NBC Sports grill and brew is still closed. And so over here on this side, they do have some outdoor seating, but I believe they've been using these tables to help out the Antojitos restaurant. Alright, so it looks like they took down Smash Burger and they're gonna replace it with the Habit. And over on this side, they took down Subway and they're gonna replace it with Firehouse Subs. I kind of wish they would have gone with Jersey Mike's because I'm a big Jersey Mike's fan, but it's gonna be Firehouse Subs. So yeah, the Habit Burger coming soon and Firehouse Subs coming soon. So it looks like Cinnabon is now open daily, so I think that's a good sign. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that there's still free parking at Citywalk. If you want to come, I suggest you come on the weekends. That's when many of the stores and restaurants are open. If you come during the week, there are some stores and restaurants that will be closed. So I suggest you look at the Universal Citywalk website, you know, for the hours of operations. So yeah, but yeah, anyways, I think it's a good time right now to talk about Universal layoffs. So a few weeks back, Universal laid off a lot of its employees. I myself am a Universal employee, but luckily I didn't get laid off. So it kind of sucks because a lot of my friends did, and it was based on hours completed. And since I've been at Universal for 7 years, I guess, you know, I had enough hours to stay. But yeah, they did send out another email saying that they could come back, you know, within 2 years and regain their seniority. So I think that's kind of good. So, you know, if you're a Universal employee that got laid off, you know, hopefully you can come back and, you know, have the same position that you had before. And if you're not gonna come back, then, you know, I wish you guys the best of luck. But yeah, so a positive thing is that Universal sent out an email last week asking us to update our availability in case the park opens soon. So, you know, it looks like a good sign. Hopefully they can open maybe in 1 month. I know Disneyland, Universal, SeaWorld, a lot of California theme parks have been asking the governor to open up again, or at least try to come up with a plan to reopen the parks. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see about that. But yeah, anyways, let's continue with the park updates. Alright, so it looks like Universal Citywalk added these, penny machines from inside the park. We have the Jurassic Park penny press machine over here. Here we have another penny machine right outside the Universal Studio store in Citywalk. This time it's the Simpsons penny press machine. And so over here on this side we have a Transformers one. Alright, so here we have the place where Little Bird used to be, and it'll be interesting to see what they replace it with. I mean, it's got to be a restaurant since they still have the kitchen there and the tables outside. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see about that. And today is super busy. Look at the line just to enter to the Universal Studios store on Citywalk. And not only that place, there's lines to enter Hot Topic and other stores. So yeah, it's crazy busy today. And it looks like they're doing some work outside of the globe, and they're putting some lights up here. And from what I've been told from security out here is that they're making a commercial. You can see they have these production boxes outside. Alright, so here's the line to enter the Production Central store. And we're gonna go here instead because the Universal Studios store line is super long. And yeah, we're gonna go check out and see if there's any new merch. Alright, so I'm here at Production Central now, and it looks like they still have the same stuff from last time. No Halloween Horror Nights merch. I did find some new things that I haven't seen before, and it's these lanyard pouches. They have different designs. I might get one of these. But I think other than that, I think I haven't seen this one before. It's a Transformers lanyard. But yeah, other than that, everything is still the same. But yeah, no new stuff here. Alright, so let's talk about the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. So apparently, the reason why we're not gonna get any Halloween Horror Nights merchandise is because the warehouse is full and they don't have the space, to store all the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise coming over from Orlando. Although I did hear that we might be able to get Halloween Horror Nights merchandise closer to Halloween time, and maybe it will only be the leftover stuff that Orlando doesn't want, or stuff that doesn't sell. So yeah, it's still unclear if we're gonna get any stuff here in Hollywood. But yeah, that's all the news that I have for Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. But if we do get any, remember to be subscribed to the channel, because I will be coming back to check out the new merch if we do get it. But yeah. Alright, so it looks like the bucket hats came back. I know a lot of people were looking for these when they sold out, I believe last year or 2 years ago, I really can't remember. So they brought them back. So alright, so I came back over here to see if the line went down, and it's still kind of long. From what I've been told, it's a 30-minute wait to go inside the store. But unfortunately there's no new merchandise, so I don't think I'll be waiting to go inside the store. And it looks like I won't be checking out the construction site since it's blocked off. But yeah, hopefully in the next video I'll be able to bring you guys some better construction updates on Nintendo Land. So yeah, that's the video for today, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a good one.